Energy test. Number 1. The ability to do work or cause change is A. Work, B. Energy, C. Force, D. Changeability. Number 2. Energy that an object has due to its motion is called A. Potential, B. Chemical, C. Kinetic, D. Moving. Number 3. Energy that is stored and held in readiness is called A. Potential, B. Chemical, C. Kinetic, D. Moving. Number 4. An example of potential energy is a man running, a car driving, a leaf falling, D. A chocolate shake. Number 5. Number 5. A falling skydiver is an example of what kind of energy? A. Chemical potential, B. Thermal, C. Electromagnetic, or D. Mechanical kinetic. Number 6. Where is the greatest amount of kinetic energy found on the pendulum in image 1? This is image 1. 6. Where is the greatest amount of kinetic energy found on the pendulum in image 1? A, B, C, or D? Number 7, still working with image number 1. At point A and C on the pendulum, what kind of energy is found? A. Kinetic, B. Thermal, C. Potential, D. Pendulitic. Number 8. The energy associated with the motion or position of an object is called A. Mechanical, B. Thermal, C. Chemical, D. Electrical, E. Electromagnetic. Number 9. The total energy of the particles in a substance is called what? A. Mechanical, B. Thermal, C. Chemical, D. Electrical, E. Electromagnetic. Number 10. Potential energy stored in chemical bonds is called A. Mechanical, B. Thermal, C. Chemical, D. Electrical, E. Nuclear. Number 11. The energy of moving electrical charges is called A. Mechanical, B. Thermal, C. Chemical, D. Electrical, E. Electromagnetic. Number 12. The energy caused by the movement of electromagnetic waves is A. Mechanical, B. Thermal, C. Chemical, D. Electrical, E. Electromagnetic. Number 13. The potential energy stored in the nucleus of an atom A. Mechanical, B. Chemical, C. Electrical, D. Electromagnetic, and E. Nuclear. Number 14. The energy that is stored in uranium A. Mechanical, B. Potential, C. Electrical, D. Nuclear. Number 15. Visible light is what kind of energy? A. Mechanical, B. Nuclear, C. Electromagnetic, D. Electrical, and E. Chemical. 16. A burning match produces what two kinds of energy? A. Nuclear and electrical, B. Thermal and electromagnetic, C. Potential and kinetic, D. Chemical and mechanical. 17. A car ultimately gets its energy from what source? A. Gasoline, B. Dinosaurs, C. Plants, or D. The sun. Number 18. An atomic bomb has what kind of stored energy? A. Potential, B. Nuclear, C. Thermal, D. Kinetic. Number 19. If you grab a spoon that has been sitting in a pot of boiling water and you get burned, what kind of thermal energy did you just experience? A. Convection, B. Conduction, or C. Radiation. 20. Heat lamps that keep food warm use what kind of energy? A. Convection, B. Conduction, C. Radiation, D. Lava waves. 21. Convection is responsible for what natural disasters? Select all that apply. So here you may have more than one answer. A. Volcanoes, B. Hurricanes, C. Tornadoes, and D. Earthquakes. 22. Energy follows which path from the sun to produce heat in a blow dryer? A. Electromagnetic to chemical to electrical to thermal. B. Thermal to chemical to nuclear to kinetic. C. Electromagnetic to thermal to electrical to mechanical. Or D. Mechanical to nuclear to potential to thermal. 23. Which type of energy does a light bulb produce? A. Electromagnetic, B. Nuclear, C. Thermal, D. A and B, so electromagnetic and thermal, or E. A and C, which is electromagnetic and thermal. 24. Which form of energy can both be kinetic and potential? A. Electromagnetic, B. Electrical, C. Chemical, D. Nuclear. Number 25. Which form of energy can only be potential? A. Kinetic, B. Thermal, C. Nuclear, D. Mechanical. Number 26. Most of the energy used on Earth comes from what source? A. Plants, B. Photosynthesis, C. The sun, or D. The Earth's core. 27. What form of energy can all energy in the universe be traced back to? So I'm going to repeat that. Number 27. What form of energy can all energy in the universe be traced back to? A. Mechanical, B. Potential, C. Electromagnetic, D. Nuclear, or E. Thermal. Number 28. Gasoline is what kinds of energy? I'm going to repeat 28. 28. Gasoline is what kinds of energy? Kinetic, thermal, B. Potential, electrical, C. Kinetic, mechanical, D. Potential, chemical. Number 29. As thermal energy increases, molecules in an object A. Get larger, B. Spread out, C. Vibrate, which is move, vibrate faster. D. Both A and B, so get larger and spread out, or E. Both B and C, spread out and vibrate/move faster. Number 30. Sorry for that short delay. Number 30. Look at the picture below and choose which location the roller coaster has the greatest gravitational potential energy and the least kinetic energy. You have point A, point B, point C, or point D.